Hello YouTubers. So I had an issue with my infotainment. This one right here, let me show you. This one. So here's my steering wheel, my dash, and here's my infotainment. So I came from my trip and I didn't use my Camaro for about a month. The issue was you know how you press on the screen and it's not really responding. At first I thought it's because I left the screen cover like this. See how it's brand new and you got all this protection thing. I thought at first it's because of that. So when I pressed the icons, it wouldn't respond. So I did some research and I found out to fix this was to actually just press this here. So you press this once and then it activates that, and then press it again. Okay, and of course I'm not gonna use that. That fixed it. Now when I click icons, when I click on this, it responds now. You know, it does everything like normal. Alright, so when you have issues with your infotainment, your radio, with your General Motors or Chevy, all you have to do is press this. Press this once and give it like about 3 seconds, and then press it again, and that should reset it. Alright, I hope this video was helpful to anybody who's having problem with their infotainment on their GMC, General Motors, or Chevrolet. And this thing goes for pretty much all GM products. So you could have a Chevy Spark or a Malibu. It doesn't have to be a Camaro. All right, guys. If you guys like this content, please give me a like and also subscribe. Thank you, guys. I see you again.